Then we have the fourth stanza. Oft is a short form of often. When on my couch I lie. Couch is a soft kind of sitting sofa. I lie in vacant or in pensive mood. Vacant mean void of thought, like in empty completely, when you're not thinking about anything. And pensive mood mean deeply or seriously thoughtful, when you are lost in your deep thoughts. They flash upon that inward eye. Inward eye means eye of mind. Flash upon, like he gets the flash of those daffodils that he saw in the on the bank of the lake. Which is the bliss of solitude. Bliss of solitude mean that is a kind of happiness or blessing in solitude. Solitude means isolation, complete isolation. Bliss means a state of extreme happiness, and solitude is the state or situation of being alone. So the sight of thinking about the daffodils, according to the poet, was actually a great happiness in the solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. Dances with the daffodils, again, heart is dancing with the daffodils. So here the poet is again using personification by saying that my heart dances with the daffodils. Dear students, in these last two stanza, but in all stanzas we can say the poet is making a perfect use of imagery. So where there is no figure of speech in the line, apart from personification, simile, or metaphor, the only figure of speech we would found in every line would be imagery, because every line of the poem is creating an image in our mind of a way, or like inward eye, the sight of daffodils, heart is dancing. All these things are creating image in our mind. So, what does the poet say in this last stanza? He is shifting from a peaceful, joyful tone to one of the pensive thought. He also comes down from the cloud and reveals the reality of his current physical state, even though he no longer sees the dancing daffodils, dancing waves, and the golden daffodils, but he reveals that he will never forget them when he says that they flash upon that inward eye. It means that he would never forget them. The poet reveals that he not only still has the memory of daffodils, but he has also kept the memory how they made him feel. He reveals this when he says that when my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. This last line, these last two lines, give us a sense that the poet has either been dreaming or has had an experience in which he caught a glimpse of heaven. It leaves us with the kind of yearning to find a perfect place of peace. By using vacant or pensive mood here in these two lines, the poet describes the time when he is detached from the world. Of course, the imagination is the poet's salvation. So the image of the daffodils comes rushing back even further. He imaginatively goes back to the daffodils and dances with them. And he says that communion, or a kind of connection with nature, is not just a momentary joy. It is not for a moment actually, but is something which is deeper and long lasting.